my name is Lauren Kaufman and I'm from Blanchard, Oklahoma, studying biomedical engineering with a minor in mathematics. Since I was a little girl, I've dreamt of shooting for the stars and working for NASA. Seeing my dad work for NASA inspired me to pursue a career in space innovation. After touring NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, I was determined to achieve my dream of biomedical research for human spaceflight. I knew it was important to get experience early on in college, to stand out among the thousands of NASA internship applicants. I discussed my goals with Dr. Youngkook Lee, who later offered me a research position in his lab focused on cardiovascular studies involving photoplasmography, which was later supported through a NASA research grant. This experience led to an internship opportunity with the Translational Research Institute for Space Health. In this role, I supported biomedical hardware to collect data from commercial spaceflight. In fall 2024, I was accepted to the NASA Co-op program, where I worked with the Human Health and Performance Directorate. I was handed meaningful work on my first day and even finished an actigraphy device design set to support the International Space Station and Artemis missions. The early career experience Wichita State provides is unparalleled and exactly why I chose to become a shocker. Wichita State has not only jump-started my career, but also provided many memories that will last a lifetime. Winning multiple intramural basketball championships, playing flag football, taking relaxing walks around campus, and sharing late-night study sessions alongside my friends are memories from Wichita that I will always cherish. My time as a shocker has been so meaningful and impactful that my little brother has also been inspired to attend WSU this fall. I have 3 more internships planned before my graduation, with my next one being in the Flight Operations Directorate, where I will work with daily crew support and procedure development. My plans after graduation include working at Johnson Space Center. My advice for prospective students is to get experience early, as it can open so many doors. Wichita State is such an amazing place to grow, learn, and chase your dreams. I encourage all future shockers to shoot for the stars and go Shocks.